my tutorial. So excited. Flame is just so good. So I have my dark brown eyebrow pencil. I got this from Family Dollar for $1. It comes 20 for sharpener. It's by LA Girls. I have my spoolie so I can, you know, brush out my eyebrows, fade away the pencil, etc, etc, etc. Of concealer in the color Deep Cinnamon. I have my, what is called again? Palettes. I have my palette to put my concealer on and my eyebrow brush. So let's get into the video. Oh, and I have my mirror too. So let's get into it. So you want to start at the front of your brow right here. This is going to be your guide. So you start here. I'm at the bottom of my brow. You want to go at the bottom and then boop, just like that. This is how the bottom of your brow should look. The shape, it looks like a wide V. So if you're confused, just look at the shape of it. It's like a wide V. So just make yourself a wide V under your eyebrow. Next, I start at the top, but this time I don't start at the front. I start like right in the middle, and then you're gonna meet it. You're gonna meet this end to this end. You're gonna make the ends meet. Start here and just boop. It's a wide V, but it's at the top, so just boop. Okay? And then you just finish it out, of course. Now, you do not want to shade your eyebrow in. It's gonna be too dark. So we already have hairs. So you just want to fill in the gaps. So I see right here is a gap. I'm gonna shade that in. See that? And then in the front, I put a little pencil so I can fade it out with the spoolie. You don't really need much eyebrow pencil in the middle. That's a trick. And then at the top, fade it out. You go just like this with the spoolie, lightly brush it. Boom. Now when we use our concealer, T at the top of your brow. Keep that wide V shape in mind. Go to the middle. Meet it at the end. Let it meet. I shade the end out. Fill the end in, the end of the eyebrow in. Another thing you want to do. Okay. And once again, we're gonna fill the front out. Just so when I use my spoolie, I can give me a good fade going. Boom. They basically look done, huh? I just like to brush through just to brush it through. So now we do the concealer. I'm bad at explaining this. I think I sound crazy, but I'm trying. Just copy as I do. Okay, now I pick the concealer up since this is the part of the brush that's gonna go like this. So this is the only part I'm putting the concealer on. You don't need to put the whole. And you start a little below where you actually want to put the concealer at, and then work your way up. Take your time. Your brows are like the most important part of your face. The most visible part of your face. What helped me is when I just go doop doop, and then I go back and fill the concealer in. Go back, make your line crispy. That's the key to a real T-brow. Make that line crispy. as y'all can see, I didn't go back and get no more concealer. You don't really need to. You can use the concealer that's already here. Make sure that line is crispy, crispy. If you mess up, let it dry a little bit, fill it back the pencil in, and then do it again. If it's not getting crispy enough, grab a little tiny bit more concealer and go in with it. Cause I kept trying to make this part crispy, but it wasn't enough concealer right there. Okay, that's done. And then you just erase it at the end. Once again, take your time, have fun, turn a little music. I like to just do. I just like to do. That's the best way for me. Okay, let's do the top. You look at them, and it's either you're gonna make it this low or you're gonna make it this high. I choose to copy this brow, make this brow match this one. So we gonna start with this one. Start at the top. I like to just go. When I go slow, that's when I'm really gonna make a mess. I'm just telling y'all to go slow because I know y'all probably some beginners. And boom. This brow is done. I'm gonna make it a little more even, crispy at the top. And then you wanna just blend it out. You want to start in the middle to make it even. Just follow this line and go. And once you get to the end, you want to do a drop, and it's really you kind of going slanted, and then you get to the end and drop it. And for the middle, you just want to lightly, y'all see the motion I'm doing. I like to take away the middle too, so I can get a better visual of like how my brows look. Cause you can't really tell with that unibrow. I get a wipe and I'll go like this. Just go down with the wipe. Start right here, exactly where I'm at. Don't erase all the way up there. Start right here and just go down. Right here and just go down. At the top, get the wipe, go like this. Get the white, go like that, and then you might have a little concealer, blend it up. Blend with your finger, and boom, it's gonna look real natural.